What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds, where today we're going after a Camaro SS. I told y'all in that last video we were doing it. Now, my high bid is going to be around $8,000. I can't really push it any further than that because at $8,000, the car's worth about 13 with a salvage title. Those front leather seats, I already know they don't work. Number one, we checked them. Number two, the airbag light's on, so I know the airbag module in the seat or seats probably no good. So those seats are going to need to be replaced. Finding those leather with SS embroidered in them, that's probably going to be kind of pricey, so I want to keep that in mind. There's also fluids that need to be changed. Rear differential transmission fluid definitely going to need to be changed since the water was above the seats. That's going to cost some money too. It's probably going to need some tires and maybe some other little things that need work. I want to make sure that we can buy this car, fix the car, and actually still be able to make money on this car since, you know, I'm probably going to be lucky to sell it for between $11,000 and $13,000. So I think 8,000 is a fair number, you know, taking into consideration what we got to put into it, and the fact Copart fees are probably going to be around $1,000 or so on top of that. So we're going to be looking at around $9,000 out the door if it gets up that high. Now, right now, the car's at like $3,050. So cross your fingers. Let's see if we can win this car. Let's do it.
Sold. New bidder.
Come on. It's getting to be ridiculous, man.
This is a hot lot.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me? These people are getting on my nerves. Well, we want... Oh, are you kidding me? It's still on reserve, though. Unfreaking real. Unfreaking real. It's still on reserve, so we still probably won't get it. Are you... This Illinois dude is really ticking me off. We're at $8,000, man. We're at $8,000 on this car. I'm done. Man, that sucks. I really wanted that car. I'm letting it go.
Sold on approval.
That hurts. I thought for sure we were going to get that. Well, I'm not going to lie. That was discouraging. I thought I had it. I thought I had it, man. I thought I had it, but that dang dude from Illinois just got me burned up right now. That's how the auction goes, though, man. But I'm so frustrated with that bonus time. I thought I had that car in the bag, and I guess that's just how it goes. It wasn't meant to be or whatever, man. I'm not gonna lie, I'm bummed. I'm bummed. I mean, I really wanted that car, but I stuck to my guns. I said $8,000 was my high, and I stopped there. I could have gone higher. I kind of wish I had have gone higher. I really would have loved to have had a Camaro SS sitting in the driveway next to my Corvette and next to that old Chevy Caprice. That would have just made my day. But, yeah, I actually wanted to be able to make some money on that car, and it just, the numbers didn't work out for me this time. That's okay. we'll keep working on the Chevy Caprice. In fact, I got to go out there and get some work done on it today. I got to go do some work on the Trailblazer today. And I got to get the truck ready to send down to Mike. So we got plenty of stuff still going on, and I'll keep my eyes open for something. There's actually an auction through Copart up in Tulsa. There's a certain Porsche that I'm looking at. Porsche, whatever you want to call it. And maybe that would be interesting for the channel, but it's a little bit on the older side. I don't know if you guys are going to be interested in it or not. Do me a favor. If you might be, I'm not going to tell you what model, but if you think you might be interested in an 80s model Porsche, drop a comment down below. And hey guys, I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed the content, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Auto Auction Rebuilds. And at the same time, please remember, hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with future videos. I know this one was short, but it's sweet and to the point. So we didn't win, but we'll try again next time. Until next time, stay safe out there, everybody, and I will catch you all very soon in the next one.